Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, Miss Wendy. Welcome back to our class again. Hello, Cisnia. Okay, welcome to the next or to the class again, Cisnia. Okay. Wow, bro, it's
Okay.
Wendy. How is it going? You good today?
I'm good today.
Ah, sounds nice if you're always good.
On the Friday, I still traveling from Jambi to Jakarta.
Yes, I know it. You told me that.
And then
And
Jakarta go to Batam.
to
Now
Batam.
I stay
Wow.
Batam.
And you are in Batam right now. It
Yeah,
was like a long journey. How was your journey? Is it good? The
good one.
journey?
Very good.
That's great. And right now you are in what is Batam, bro?
Batam Batu Haji.
Oh, that's a crazy, bro. So how long will you stay in Batam actually?
I I long time in Batam because my home in Batam.
Oh, I see. That's good.
Ah,
That's good. Nice, bro. It's funny. Nice one. Okay, thank you so much, bro.
yeah.
Cisnia, hello. How do you do?
Hello. I'm very well, Profit.
Very well.
And
That's
how about
nice.
you?
I'm pretty great. That was a great weekend last time, and today is a tough day, but I love it.
Yes,
Okay, Cisnia, how was your
yes,
working? Was it good? You working?
yes. I still working, bro.
You are still working right now.
Yes,
I,
Oh my God. Okay, keep going, Cisnia. Semangat ya,
yes.
Cisnia.
Thank you. Thank
That's
you,
great.
Profit.
Most welcome. Sis Aima! Hello! Good evening, Sis Aima! Okay, bro, maybe every Monday I will let... Oh, you will late to join a class. It's because you have another class, another meeting. Haven't, don't you? That's alright, Sis Aima. No problem. Take your time. I do appreciate you still join a class actually. Okay, teman-teman sambil nunggu yang lain, kita mulai kelasnya ya. Okay. Guys, good evening and welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner!
We
We are
we are
the
the
best
best
partner.
partner!
master
Okay, what's password?
smile.
Smile.
Thank you so much, guys. You are so excellent and I love it. Okay, we just talk about the topic that we learned just last time, yeah, on Friday. And today is our second week. Special for today is our sixth meeting. It is Monday. Maybe Monday is a busy day and tiring day, you know? So that's already
Day.
our
Yes.
friends feel like it's a tired Monday. So what about you guys? Sometimes someone says like Monday is busy day. It's a tough day. So it just make us tired on Monday. Okay. So I hope our friends will join our class this time, alright? Bro Solehan, good evening.
Oh, hello, bro. Good evening.
Hello. How is it going, bro? You get Bro Solehan?
Mm, everything is good, bro.
Everything is good. I love it.
Mm,
Bro Solehan, how was
mm,
your working today? Today's Monday anyway.
yeah, this is a long day, bro, for walking.
Yeah, that must be. Monday is gonna be busy day. It's a tough day, a
Mhm.
long day. Yes, but it runs well. It runs well,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it's run well, bro. Yeah,
That's
wait,
lovely.
uh, it's okay lah. No, no
That's
worry.
okay. No worries. That's good. Really good one. Okay, thank you so much. Shirley, welcome back to our class again. Okay, guys, and actually, I have a riddle for you guys. Hey, guys, do you like eating donuts? Suka makan
Yeah,
Donut.
roti?
I like
Donuts?
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, you like it.
Yes, I do.
Oh, really nice, Australia.
Yeah.
Well, I have a riddle for you guys. Tebak-tebakan nih. Is a donut. Donut apa yang dimakan banyak itu gak ngawatirin? Donat-donat apa yang gak bikin khawatir maksudnya?
Donatur.
Donat.
Satu.
Donatur. Oh iya bener ya. Oke, but it has more one. Apa guys? Donat apa yang gak bikin khawatir, guys?
Don't
Donatur.
worry.
Donatur. Iya, just dia apa tadi?
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Do
Do
not
not worry.
Do
Iya,
not worry.
do not worry. Oke, itu
Do-
donat yang nggak bikin khawatir is do not worry. Ya, do not worry. Don't worry. Nice, Sis Nia. You got the point. Really cool. Okay, well, guys, hello, Brazil. Hello, Rich. Guys, welcome back to our class again. Makanan yang buat kangen. Apa tuh? Makanan yang buat kangen itu apa, guys? What's that,
Don't
guys?
miss it.
Uh,
Do not miss it.
don't
Do not
not
miss it.
do not miss it. Iya,
Iya.
Rich. Do not miss it.
Do not miss it.
Bro, tiramisu. Oh my god.
Tiramisu.
Okay,
Oh,
that's
miss
good.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Iya, tiramisu. Nice, Rich. Okay. Wow, great,
This is
Rich. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, back to the nature. Today we have a new topic. And last time on Friday, we just talked about the grammar, especially how to use countable and an uncountable noun, part 1. I guess, yeah, how to use some, how to use any, I guess, yeah, and also how to use many, much, and then how many, how much, a lot of, lots of.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just talk about that. It was last week. We talk about part 1 ya guys ya. And today we have part 2. Kita ada part 2-nya guys hari ini. And we need to break down it all the topic. So it will help you to practice and to speak English. We always use it karena kita selalu pakai ya guys ya cara bilang some, any, maybe a lot of, okay. And this part is the second part 2. Okay. Langsung aja teman-teman ya. This one is a countable and uncountable noun part 2. Part kedua. I have an example, everyone. Look at this example to see how these questions or quantifiers are used with countable and uncountable nouns. Fikir saya so dulu, guys. Look at this. Guys, di sini ada yang pertama. I have a few friends, so I'm not lonely. Artinya apa sih, guys? Saya punya?
Saya punya beberapa teman.
Iya,
Sedikit.
boleh. Sedikit.
beberapa
Sedikit.
kawan.
Teman.
Sedikit teman. Jadi saya tidak
Tidak kesepian.
Tidak
kesepian. Sedikit kok tidak kesepian? Okay. I have a few friends. Saya punya banyak ya guys ya. Banyak.
Oh,
Artinya
banyak
semua
ya.
itu beberapa aja. Paling enak beberapa aja. Paling tepat ya.
Few friends.
Saya punya beberapa teman. Jadi saya tidak merasa kesepian. And then she has few. Kalau ini gak ada E-nya. Few aja. She has few friends. So she's quite lonely. Dia punya beberapa teman. Jadi dia cukup
Quiet.
kesepian. Lonely itu kesepian. Cukup quite lonely. Cukup kesepian. So what is difference a few sama few? Kita belajar ini guys. Ada lagi nih.
Okay.
We've got a bit of. We have got. Present perfect ya. We've got a bit of time before our train. Shall we get a coffee? Kita masih punya nih beberapa waktu sebelum kereta kita. Shall we get a coffee? Mari kita ngopi dulu. Apa kita ngopi dulu nih? Gitu guys. We have got, kalau ini, very little. It's a very little time before our train. Hurry up. Kita punya sedikit waktu sebelum kereta kita. Hurry up, cepet. So we need to learn about this, how to use a few, dan few, a bit of, or even like very little, and the other addition as well. Okay, so we need to write down it, everyone. Siap ya teman-teman? You need to focus. Remember, if you learn about the grammar, our hashtag is grammar is fun. Just
Grammar is
remember that one. Yeah, grammar is fun. It's the lesson and explanation. Okay, hold on, guys. Start from the first. We talk about the view and a bit of and a little. Nah, di sini kita akan bahas ini semua, guys. Satu dulu ya. Di sini cara menggunakan a view, ada e-nya, a bit of, ada e-nya juga, and a little. Semuanya artinya apa? Some, guys. Itu bermakna some. A little bukan sedikit. Semuanya tiga-tiganya bermakna some. Beberapa artinya. Often we feel this amount is enough or more than we expected. Digunakan kapan? Digunakan ketika jumlahnya itu cukup, guys. Cukup besar atau lebih dari yang kita ekspektasikan. Gitu, guys. Maksudnya gimana? Luffy kasih gambarannya nih. Okay, look at this. Di sini ada sebuah kotak. Ya, apapun kotaknya teman-teman, imagine itu kotak. Sama kayak kemarin Luffy gambarin. Kotak isinya ada apel. Ini ada apel guys ya di sini. Apple. Apelnya itu banyak banget guys. Ini full ya guys ya. Luffy nggak tahu ini guys ya, kuantitinya atau jumlah spesifiknya nggak tahu. Intinya banyak gitu guys ya. Entah itu 50, 100, nggak tahu. Intinya banyak gitu di situ. Rafiki mau beri ke kalian ini semua di sini ada 20 orang contohnya nih. 20 orang Bro Vicky mau ngasih ke kalian semua. Nah, ketika Bro Vicky bilang, guys, saya punya beberapa apel. Kita boleh pakai ini semua, guys. A view, a bit of it. Kenapa? Oh, ternyata di situ Bro Vicky yakin, guys. We feel this amount is enough or more than we expected. Itu poinnya di sini, guys. Oke. Kita merasa this amount is enough. Jumlahnya cukup. Bahkan lebih dari kita ekspektasikan. Butuh kita 20 orang. Butuh 20 orang aja. Tapi Bro Vicky yakin di kotak ini itu lebih dari 20. Bro Vicky yakin di situ. Kita boleh pakai ini. Oke. Ataupun minimal cukup lah. Nggak sampai kurang. Gitu guys. Kita boleh pakai a view, a bit of, little. Ketika bendanya itu cukup atau mungkin lebih dari yang kita ekspektasikan. Ekspektasi kita itu untuk 20 orang gitu guys ya. Ternyata barangnya lebih dari 20 guys. Berarti kita itu more than we expected. Gitu teman-temannya, itu penggunaannya. Nah, semuanya punya syaratnya masing-masing. So, especially this part. Kita menggunakan a view untuk benda plural nouns. Ya guys ya. Oke. Yang countable. Yang bisa dihitung. A view semuanya plural ya teman-teman. Ini atau jamak. Yang countable. Yang bisa dihitung. A view sama countable. Countable nouns. Itu a view. Teman-teman. Tapi kalau ini guys. A bit of atau a little itu pasangannya sama uncountable nouns. Nah, gitu guys. Uncountable nouns. Ya, teman-teman. Uncountable nouns. So that's the difference. Itu bedanya teman-teman. Oke? You got it everyone? Contoh langsung ke contoh guys. A few dulu. I have a few ideas. Artinya saya punya beberapa
ide.
ide. Ya, ide itu countable, bisa dihitung, guys. Ide pertama gini, kedua ini, ketiga ini. Makanya ide ditambah S kan benda yang lebih dari satu ketika bisa dihitung ada S-nya kan. Ideas. Itu countable. I have a few ideas. Gitu, guys. Gitu, guys ya. Ada nih, pakai a few lagi. I've brought a few friends. Saya sudah membawa beberapa teman. Iya, teman itu juga countable, bisa dihitung. Makanya pakai a few.
A few.
Kalau kedua, a bit pakai a bit of sama a little, ada e-nya ya, a bit of, a little, semua depan ada e-nya pokoknya. Itu a bit of sama a little, bendanya nggak bisa dihitung.
Hmm.
There is a bit of milk left. Artinya ada, apa guys? Beberapa susu yang tertinggal, gitu guys ya. Beberapa artinya semua sama. It needs a little more work. Ini butuh beberapa kerjaan lebih. Nah, milk itu nggak bisa dihitung. More work juga nggak bisa dihitung. Is little. A bit of. Itu bedanya. Got it? Semuanya diartikan some, beberapa. Dan itu cukup jumlahnya. Atau lebih yang kita ekspektasikan. Teman-teman bisa? Oke. Nice, everyone. Ini guys, kalau teman-teman bilang kayak gini guys. Saya butuh beberapa air. Gimana guys?
I need
I need
Need some water.
a bit of
pakai ini, a bit of
water.
Need a bit of
water
water.
atau a little
A
juga
little,
boleh. You can say that
little
one. Artinya
water.
beberapa some ya teman-teman. Itu cukup konteksnya. Oke,
Okay.
that's one. Itu teman-temannya. Sebenarnya ini variasi dari some kemarin guys. Kita kan kemarin bilangnya some, bilangnya any teman-teman. Nah ini variasinya biar gak pakai some aja. Kita boleh pakai a few atau a bit of, a little. Yang artinya sama, some. Itu. Aman teman-temannya untuk ini? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Nope. Is enough? So good. No questions so far. And the next part, we have the other one. Ini beda guys. E-nya nggak ada. Kalau teman-teman ada yang namanya few, bukan a view, few aja, few. Very little. Yang fungsinya apa? Look at this. To show that we are talking about a small amount. Jumlahnya kecil.
Iya, jumlahnya.
Often we feel this amount is not enough. This amount is not enough. I guess ya, or less than we expected. Jadi kebalikannya guys. Ketika Bro Vicky punya tadi guys, apel satu kotak yang mau diberikan ke 20 orang, isinya banyak, lebih dari satu. Banyak kan lebih dari satu guys ya, banyak. Cuma nggak cukup guys. A small amount. Oke. Jumlahnya sedikit. This amount is not enough. Jumlahnya nggak cukup. Less than we expected. Kurang dari yang kita ekspektasikan. Saya ingin memberikan apel ke 20 orang. Di kotak Bro Vicky itu banyak juga. Cuma ada 15-an gitu guys. Atau kurang dari 20. Vicky yakin di situ bakal kurang. Ya guys ya. So, we can use few and very little. Gitu guys ya. Kebalikannya intinya. Nah, di sini ketika kita pakai few itu harus diikuti sama yang namanya countable. Berarti bisa dihitung teman-teman. Nah, kalau very little itu kebalikannya uncountable. Bendanya nggak bisa dihitung. Itu ya, jangan sampai kebalik teman-teman. Is uncountable nouns. Oke. Nah, look at that everyone. Contohnya nih. Few people come to the meeting. Artinya apa? Teman-teman boleh bilang beberapa atau sedikit juga boleh. Di sini semua boleh diartikan beberapa atau paling enak untuk mengartikan bahasa kita sedikit. Artinya guys. Ya sedikit. Karena small amount. Cuma sedikit. Few people come to the meeting. Sedikit orang datang ke meeting. Ya semisal nih Bro Vicky mau undang 20 orang nih guys ya. Pertemuan 20 orang. Yang datang cuma 15. Bro Vicky tahu di situ lebih dari satu, banyak juga situ guys. Cuma kurang yang dari yang kita ekspektasikan atau jumlahnya itu nggak cukup gitu guys. Got it? Kita boleh pakai few people come to the meeting. Pakai few di situ. Kenapa? Karena people itu bisa dihitung, countable people. Orang bisa dihitung guys. Number 2, there are few places where you can still see this bird. Artinya apa, guys? Ada sedikit
Tempat
tempat
di mana
di mana kamu
bisa
masih
melihat
bisa melihat burung-burung ini.
burung-burung.
Nah, sedikit tempat ya ada, lo berdiri satu juga, cuma sedikit, gak cukup, cuma beberapa aja. Ekspektasi kita ada 10 tempat, cuma di situ ada 6 aja mungkin. So you can say there are a few places where you can still see this bird. Gitu, guys. Lanjut nih, guys. What about this? We have very little time. What is the meaning? Apa artinya, guys? Apa nih? Kita punya sedikit
Waktu
waktu. Iya, time itu uncountable, makanya pakai very little. Uncountable. Ya, uncountable. I have very little money. Saya punya sedikit
uang.
Maksudnya bukan sedikit satu ya. Ada. Ya gitu. Cuma gak cukup aja. Semisal teman-teman mau beli apa nih? Beli you want to buy clothes, baju. Harganya mungkin 200.000 gitu guys, semisal. Oke. And then teman-teman itu punya uang nih guys, banyak juga. Cuma kita ngira gak cukup nih kayaknya untuk 200. Oh, kan banyak juga tuh guys ya di situ. Nah, teman-teman boleh bilang I have very little money to buy the clothes. Gitu guys. Banyak cuma gak cukup. Gitu teman-teman ya. Oke, sedikit itu bukan berarti satu ya di sini. Lebih dari satu. Bisa dibilang banyak juga, cuma gak cukup aja. It's not enough. Less than we expected. Teman-teman, got it? Bisa teman-teman ya? Oke. Lanjut guys. Ini ada note. Ada perhatian teman-teman. We can use little without very. Teman-teman boleh pakai little tanpa very. I have little money. Bolehkah Anda very? But it less common and sounds quite formal. Tapi gak terlalu terkenal atau gak perlu dipakai. Karena kenapa? Itu terdengar cukup formal guys bahasanya. Contohnya nih. She had little water. Dia punya sedikit air. Itu bahasanya terlalu formal. Kalau ingin non-formal casual, pakainya very little. Kalau bahasa formal, you can say just little. I have little money. Boleh. Okay? That's one. This is the topic today, guys. It's easier than before. How to use a few, a bit of, a little. And also we have few, gak ada e-nya, and very little. Teman-temannya, itu bedanya guys teman-teman. Okay, we have done talking about this. Little, a little. Itu teman-teman juga boleh ya. Uncountable. Uncountable, teman-teman boleh very little atau little saja. Bahkan a little. I have a little itu juga ada ya teman-teman. A little ini juga ada. It's the same teman-teman. Sorry guys. Sama teman-temannya. It's like you want to say this one. Little. Okay. A liter sugar. And you can say this one. Sama ya. Boleh very little. Little saja. A little. A little itu boleh kayak gini guys. Kayak very little artinya. Oke. Gak bisa dihitung juga ya teman-teman. Sedikit. Oke. Got it everyone-nya di sini. Oke. Oh ya teman-teman sebagai tambahannya ada teman-teman pernah nggak guys dengar several? Several. Pernah dengar ya teman-teman? Ya. Several itu kayak teman-teman bilang bisa yang awal tadi teman-teman ya. Atau cukup ya sedikit juga boleh. Several itu sedikit ya sebenarnya teman-teman. Ya. Di situ countable. Bentuknya bisa dihitung. Kayak few. Few di sini teman-teman bisa dipakai untuk several. Oke, ini belum fitur nih guys. Several ya, several artinya ya juga beberapa teman-teman. Several cuma di situ ya nggak cukup gitu, bisa several cuma berapa aja. Several people come to the meeting juga boleh pakai several. Ya teman-teman ya. Or maybe number of gitu guys ya. Number of juga ada several, ada number of itu juga sama. Number of apa nih guys? You want to say number of bla bla bla. Ada e-nya ya. A number of people come to the meeting. Itu juga sama ya, harus di kalimat bentuknya nominal. Nominalnya itu, noun kata bendanya itu harus bisa dihitung. Several people come to the meeting. A number of people come to the meeting. You can say that one. Okay, so this is everyone. Okay. Teman-teman, apakah ada pertanyaan sejauh ini, guys?
Bro, izin tanya, bro.
Sudah, silakan.
Semua yang kita bahas ini untuk positive sentence ya, bro?
Oh, boleh dibuat kalimat negatif
Bisa
sama.
juga.
Sama, bro. Negatif juga sama, sih. Misal nih, a few people come to the meeting. Few people didn't come to the meeting.
Ah,
Itu boleh. Tetap sama ya, sis. Pakainya tetap sama, nggak berubah. Cuma bentuk tensesnya aja yang berubah. Oke?
Oke, thank you,
Yes.
bro.
Alright. Okay. So guys, this is our topic today. We have learned. So kita udah belajar yang namanya some, beberapa. Khususnya beberapa ya. Beberapa. Kita selalu bilang some dan any. Alternatif lain untuk bilang beberapa ada yang namanya a few, a bit of, a little. Ada e-nya semuanya. Itu juga boleh. Kalau a few di awal tadi itu countable. Kalau a bit of, a little itu adalah uncountable. Nah, mau bilang beberapa, tapi jumlahnya nggak cukup, atau biasanya bahasa Indonesia kita sering bilang sedikit, sedikit bukan berarti satu ya, juga banyak di situ. Cuma nggak cukup aja, teman-teman bilang few and very little. Few itu lebih ke countable. Very little uncountable. Teman-teman juga boleh pakai several, a number of untuk bilang few. Itu teman-teman ya. College everyone. Oke, bisa ya teman-temannya. Secure one. Nah, kembali ke contoh awal tadi, guys. Look at this. I have a few friends, so I'm not lonely. Saya punya beberapa teman, jadi saya nggak kesepian. Otomatis itu bermakna temannya cukup banyak gitu, guys. Makanya nggak kesepian, so I'm not lonely. Tapi yang kedua beda. She has few friends, sedikit teman, jadi dia cukup kesepian. Oke. Atau teman-teman boleh bilang gini, dia punya beberapa teman, tapi dia cukup kesepian. Beberapa teman di situ nggak cukup, sedikit gitu guys ya, nggak cukup yang kita ekspektasikan. Gitu. Oke. Menurut kita biar nggak kesepian itu ada 5 orang, cuma ada 3 orang aja, dan kurang tuh. Nah, so you can say that one. We've got a bit of time before, a bit of time. Guys ya, beberapa waktu sebelum kereta kita. Shall we get a coffee? Karena masih cukup waktunya, berarti kita ngopi dulu aja gimana gitu. Beda kalau ini, very little. Sedikit waktu. Makanya hurry up. Gak mungkin ngajak ngopi. Ketinggalan nanti guys. Very little atau beberapa waktu. Yang di situ gak cukup untuk ngopi. Makanya hurry up. Gitu guys. Oke, teman-teman bisa ya? Everyone? It's easy though. That's good. Use it. Dipakai aja guys. Just use it when you practice and speaking. Biar nggak bilang some, nggak bilang a few or any aja. You can have the other word. And is it good to make it fun in English? Okay, coba kita bahas ini guys. I have like a question and try to answer it. Ya, Bro Vicky panggil nih. Bro Solehan, nomor 1. We have blah 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 ideas. A view atau a bit of?
Few.
A view. Oh, a view, guys. Kenapa pakai a view, bro? It's
Bisa
because
dihitung.
bisa dihitung bendanya. Ide tambah S. Ideas. Ya. Artinya semua sama ya, beberapa. Cukup juga semuanya. Cuma kita pakai a view, gak a bit of. A view, bendanya diikuti benda yang bisa dihitung. A bit of, gak bisa dihitung. Good job, Bro Solehan. Nice answer. And then Cisalia, the second. There is blah 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 space in this room.
Space in this room.
Ya,
There is very little.
ini
A.
sedikit ya di sini. Artinya sedikit semua.
A.
Ada A. Oh, yes, the answer is B. Iya. Kenapa? Space. Space
Tidak bisa
itu
dihitung.
nggak bisa dihitung. Yes,
Oh,
nggak
ya.
bisa dihitung. Uncountable. Ya. Makanya guys, cara kita menggunakannya, kita harus tahu bendanya itu countable atau uncountable. Ruangan itu nggak bisa dihitung space-nya ya. Oke. Nggak bisa dihitung.
Woi.
So, there is very little space in this room. Kalau ruangan baru bisa, space-nya. Gitu. Oke, Sis Lydia, Sis Sadia, got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Sis Lydia. Oke, lanjut nih. We have Sis Lydia. What about you? Can you
Me.
give me that plant?
Be a bit of,
Mm-mm.
E.
be a bit of.
Bit off?
Yes.
Yep,
Water.
you're right. Bener banget, Sis. A bit off artinya beberapa, cukup. Kenapa kita pakai a bit off? It's
Because
because
water is
water.
Bisa dihitung.
Uncountable, nggak bisa dihitung, bener banget. Uncountable. A
Countable.
bit of, kalau a view harus countable, bisa dihitung. Great answer. Okay. Well, the next everyone. I want to go with tadi. Hold on. Oh, bro Iswandi, what about you, bro?
Yes.
Okay. Blah blah blah. Houses have central heating here. What about this? Bro Iswandi, apa tuh? Nih, sedikit semua artinya ya, bro. Few sama very itu artinya sedikit. Tapi nggak cukup gitu, guys. Di sini?
A few.
Few.
Yes.
Oke, a few.
House. Bisa dihitung.
Iya, few itu untuk benda yang bisa dihitung. Houses. Makanya pakainya few. Kalau very little, uncountable. Few houses have
House.
central heating here. Ya, sedikit rumah mempunyai ruang penghangat tengah ya, teman-teman. Ya, so the spot is few. Atau beberapa rumah juga bisa. Cuma sedikit aja, nggak cukup.
Rumah.
Gitu,
Few house
guys.
central.
Few houses. Good job, everyone. Lanjut nih, the last. Oh, masih ada ya teman-teman habis ini. Tadi saya sudah, dia. Oh, Sis Nia. What about you, Sis Nia? The doctor told me to rest for blah 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 days.
Restful.
Sis Nia, what is the answer? A or B?
B.
Mhm. The doctor told me to rest for. Kalau few itu sedikit, a few beberapa. A few cukup, few gak cukup. Sis Nia, the doctor told me to rest for. Apa nih Sis Nia? Sis Nia.
Maybe the internet is unstable.
Oh ya, Sis Nia. Can you hear my voice? Halo, halo, halo. Sis Nia suaranya kecil banget. Halo. Kayak jauh di Mato. Sis Nia. Sis Nia. Halo.
Di chat room ada tuh, Bang.
Oh ya, bentar. Aku cek dulu nih. Oke. B, oh that's right. Sis Nia, bener banget jawabannya B, teman-teman ya. Oke. Karena kenapa? Ya dokter bilang ke aku untuk istirahat beberapa waktu. Maksudnya cukup ya guys ya, cukup istirahat. Masa dokter ngajuin kita nggak cukup istirahat guys? That's good, bener banget pakainya a view. Sis Nia, are you okay? Kenapa Sis Nia nih? Soalnya putus ya? Atau mungkin lagi ngelakuin sesuatu kayak Sis Nia nih. Saya sambil kerja tadi ya. So, okay, Sis Nia. Okay. So, great, everyone. We still have the other one, guys. Masih ada nih. Okay, Sis Aima masih ada kelas lain. Bro Zul. What about you, Bro Zul? I have blah, blah, blah. Bro Zul, guys. Bro Zul. I have blah, blah, blah question, bro.
A few questions.
A apa B, bro?
A.
Yes, that's correct, bro. I have a few questions. It's because beberapa bisa dihitung semua teman-teman ya. Di sini berarti dihitung semua. Maksudnya banyak artinya, guys. Oke, tapi pakai a few karena questions ada S-nya itu countable, bisa dihitung. I have a few questions. Good job, Bro Zul. Nice. Bro Rich. Do you want blah 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 chocolates?
B.
What?
A bit of.
Are you sure?
Do you want?
The answer is B. The Rich.
Iya. Kena scam
Oke.
saya.
Kena scam. Iya nih. Oke, yakin Bro Rich? Oke, Bro Rich. Do you want a bit of chocolate? Bener banget
Iya.
nih. A bit of, bro. Kenapa? It's because coklat.
Coklat. Iya.
Coklat itu uncountable. Gak bisa dihitung guys coklatnya. Okay, so it is a bit of sedikit. Maksudnya banyak ya teman-teman di sini. A few, a bit of itu artinya banyak. Kalau bit of baru beda lagi. Ini a few, ada e-nya, artinya banyak teman-teman ya. Oke. Little bit, kalau little bit itu baru sedikit ya teman-teman yang tadi, yang habis yang kedua tadi, little bit atau bit of. Kalau ada e-nya di depan pasti cukup. Kalau bit of gak ada,
Ya.
pasti sedikit. Atau little bit maybe. Oke. Sis Aima, masih kelas Sis Aima ya? Oke. That's alright. Coba kita bareng-bareng guys. You made blah 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 mistakes. Well done.
Okay,
Apa
okay.
guys? Apa nih? What? Apa
Uh,
guys?
A few.
few.
A few. You're right everyone. So this is few aja.
Few.
Few.
Few. Kenapa? You made a few mistake. Ada well done. Kamu buat kesalahan, beberapa kesalahan atau sedikit kesalahan. Well done. Masa kalau salahnya banyak, well done guys. Kerja bagus.
Oh iya.
Iya. Oke, makanya dia bilang gak apa-apa, kerja bagus berarti sedikit gitu guys. Soalnya gak apa-apa tapi sedikit. Oke. That's nice. Oke. Got it everyone. Lanjut nih, guys. I have blah 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 money.
I have
Very
many.
little.
Few.
Very little
little.
money. Iya.
Very little
Saya
money.
punya very little. Kalau few itu kan nggak boleh ya. Few itu harus bentuknya uncountable. Yang bisa dihitung. Few itu dihitung, countable. Kalau money uncountable. Money kan nggak bisa dihitung guys. Makanya very little. Saya punya sedikit uang. Gitu guys ya. Beberapa uang tapi nggak cukup. I have very little.
Very little.
Good job. Lanjut guys, number 5. Blah blah blah
Few.
students understand this.
Few because students.
Few student.
Yeah, you're right. This is few.
Few
Kenapa?
students
Ya
understand.
karena students bisa
Ya.
dihitung few. Sedikit murid paham ini atau beberapa murid paham ini. Ya, paham ini cuma ada 50 orang yang paham cuma 20 orang. Kan nggak semua tuh guys. Banyak juga. Cuma nggak seperti yang kita ekspektasikan gitu. Atau kurang lah seperti itu. So, this is students understand this. Few
They
students.
understand this.
Yep, you're right everyone. Kalau teman-teman bilangnya ini guys, banyak ya. Sebenarnya teman-teman itu jelasin ke 50 orang ya guys ya. Yang semuanya itu paham. So you can say students atau mungkin di sini 49 48 orang nih guys. Itu kan dari yang apa lebih yang kita ekspektasikan, boleh pakai a few, ada e-nya ya. Karena cukup. Lanjut guys, what about they have blah 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 rain in summer?
Very little.
Very
Very
little.
little.
Very little. Iya,
Very
karena
little.
kenapa? Ini
Rain.
artinya kan
I have very
sedikit ya.
little
Rain.
in summer.
Rain uncountable. Ya,
Mm.
sedikit hujan teman-teman, nggak terlalu banyak hujannya. Oke. It's not easy. You will need blah 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 help. You will need apa guys?
Not
Very
easy.
little.
You need
A bit of. Ya,
Bit
bit of guys, benar ya. Ini nggak mudah. You will need a bit of help. Ya, a bit of. Itu artinya beberapa
Bantuan.
bantuan. Ya, karena nggak mudah guys. Kalau mudah kasih bantuannya sedikit aja. Karena nggak mudah, it's not easy. Makanya cukup dan banyak di situ. Oke, not very little. Gitu teman-teman cara menganalisnya. And you can just use it ya. Okay, thank you so much everyone. This is our topic we have been learning so far. And the next is time for you to practice and breakout room everyone. So we don't talk about kita udah practice ya. Okay. Langsung aja guys. So berarti kita udah belajar pas 1 part 2 cara bilang some ya guys ya. Paling simpelnya pakai some dan any itu guys. Kalau mau bilang banyak pakainya a lot of itu yang sering dipakai kalimat positif. Kalau kalimat negatif, kalimat interrogatif pakainya much atau many ya, tergantung juga. That's it everyone. Oke.
Oi.
Kata lain bilang some itu teman-teman atau any boleh pakai tadi a few, a bit of, a little, kalau jumlahnya cukup. Kalau jumlahnya nggak cukup, teman-teman pakainya few, very little. Itu bilang beberapa. Gitu ya. Okay, guys, this is kesimpulannya, and it's time for you to practice on breakout room. And on the breakout room, everyone, you can just talk about. Hold on, we'll start. Oh, ini dia, guys, topiknya. Just talk and discuss about this topic. How much fruit? How much fruit do you eat in a week? Berapa banyak buah, guys? So actually, yang paling tepat di sini tuh how many
How many?
fruits. Iya, kenapa? Karena fruits itu adalah countable, bisa dihitung ya teman-teman. How nanti diganti aja teman-temannya, is typo. Ini tulisan zaman zaman dulu, guys. Oke. So,
How many?
ini teman-teman diganti how many fruits. Ada S-nya juga ya. How many.
How many
Pakainya.
fruits?
How many
Ya,
fruits?
how many fruits do you eat in a week? Berapa banyak buah yang kalian makan dalam seminggu? How many
Kebalik.
times? Ini how much times
How much
kalau
time?
ini?
Ya, kebalik
Iya, kebalik benar banget, guys. Nah, it's typo.
Wish
How
kamu.
much times?
How much time?
Berapa? How much time? Karena time itu nggak bisa dihitung ya, teman-teman.
Ini kayak di
Pakainya.
bioskop ya, Bu?
Ya, benar banget. How much? Oke, how much time? Berapa kali nih? How much time? Okay, do you go to the movies? Okay. Kalau how many time? So
Berapa
actually
kali?
teman-teman, how many time itu boleh kok sebenarnya. Tapi secara speaking ya, in the grammar, how much time? How many phone calls? How much of pizza? Okay. How many games? And the other question that you can use it for practicing. Oke teman-teman, langsung join aja breakout room ya. And let's go. How many people here? Nanti 4 nih guys, pas 2-2. Okay. And just join the breakout room everyone. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. We have
Bro.
like, okay. Bentar.
No, bro.
Ya, kenapa?
Pertanyaannya bisa di ini share
Oke.
dulu.
Oh, Bro Vicky sudah kirim di chat obrolan
chat.
nih, di ini.
Oh,
Di
chat
grup WA,
obrolan.
Bro, maksudnya. Grup
Ah,
WA.
ya, sorry.
Iya.
Ya.
Oke. That's good.
That's good.
Siap ya, teman-teman. Just join the breakout room, everyone. And practice your English. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Good luck, guys. See you there. Sampai jumpa di sana. Well, guys, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much for doing such a great conversation. Just talk about anything, especially practicing how to use quantify a quantity, few, okay, a view, a little, much, and the other one. And that was really great. And I do appreciate it for you guys. As a Sophia, you joined the class. Could you
Sorry,
imagine, guys? Yeah.
sorry.
It's not late. It's too late.
Yes, yes.
You joined the class half past 10. Jam
Yeah.
10 lebih.
Persen?
Yeah, okay. But I do appreciate that. Bro Vicky appreciate banget si Sophia. You still join the class. That's great. Thank you so much, Sophia. Okay. Wow, that's great, everyone. Okay, guys, it's a challenge here, or maybe 1 minute challenge before I give you the feedback. Now, I would like to ask one of you to have it. For today, I want to go with what about Sister Leah?
Oh,
It's your turn.
Sorry.
Sister Leah, Yeah.
Hello.
you need to explain what you're discussing about with your friends. Okay, you talk with Iswandi.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready, Sister Leah?
insya
Yep,
Allah.
yeah. Okay, give you time 1 minute actually. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, go. Part
Thanks
is
for
yours.
thanks for the time, bro. Tonight, my partner is Bro Iswandi, and we are talk about fruit,
Mhm.
movies, and then phone calls, food, and games. And the first, Bro Iswandi, like orange.
Mhm.
And then sorry, I forgot. And he Uh, um, he, I don't, sorry, bro.
That's okay. Wow, that's a great. You forgot what you discuss about, but that's all right, Sister Leah. Yeah, I've given you your best to explain it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I want to clarify it and look at that, everyone. Tadi pertanyaannya itu kan ada how many times. Itu tetap pakai how many times, everyone, not how much time. Kenapa? Kalau kita nanyain waktu, baru how much times. Kalau kita nanyain berapa kali, di situ artinya berapa kali, bukan berapa waktu, guys. Berapa kali tetap pakai how many times, guys. How
Yeah.
many times do you go to the movie in a month? Tetap pakai how many times. Ya, guys ya. Karena kita tanyanya berapa kali. How many times do you eat in a day? Berapa kali? Tetap pakai how many times. Bener teman-teman nih? Kita nggak boleh bilang how much. Oke. Is how many times. Kalau how much times itu berapa waktu gitu. Beda teman-temannya sama berapa kali. Kalau ini how much fruit itu baru how many fruits yang benar. Kalau ini tetap sama ya. How much, how many times. Kalau yang atas ini how many fruits. Karena fruit itu countable, bisa dihitung. Okay, everyone. Okay, that's it. And smoke. Smoke ini adalah verb kata kerja, teman-teman. I smoke, saya merokok. Merokok itu verb kata kerja. I smoke. Okay, bukan I am smoke. The better one is I smoke. Itu verb kata kerja. Got it, everyone? The teman-temannya. Okay, that's it. Okay, and also the next I wanna highlight again if you wanna say hold on. Teman-teman mau bilang gini, guys. Your fluency especially. Oh, so actually kita akan belajar minggu depan ya. Okay. Maybe sorry bro, I'm not focused. What? Not focused. Oh, that's all right. It's no problem, says Celia. No worries. It's okay. Cat Wilson anyway. Don't worry. It's okay, sis. Okay. Guys, that's the feedback for today, yeah? Okay, and overall, you are so good at practicing today, and that's really nice. Good job, everyone. Thank you so much. Anyone has a question last time, guys? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys, teman-teman? Anyone? Nope. That's good. No question?
I have many
Uh,
questions, but I don't know which question that I must want to ask.
So you need to
I
watch
don't
the
know to
recording first, Sophia. You need to watch recording first, okay?
Yeah,
And you
okay,
can just
okay.
ask it. Okay. So guys, we have finished learning about cara bilang beberapa banyak dari part 1 last week on Friday and today part 2. So we have learned and just use it. Nah, kita selalu bilang ya, mau bilang banyak, beberapa, gak hanya some aja, ada kata lain. So we have a few, a bit of, little, atau pakai yang few aja, atau very little, little bit, several, number of. You can just use it just for your conversation. Because kita belajarnya hanya belajar grammar for speaking, yang digunakan untuk ngomong. Gitu ya guys ya. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for today, and that's our topic. Tomorrow we talk about the other one. Besok kita bahas topik baru guys. Okay, it's about tea. The traditional from the UK. Tea, teh,
E.
drinking tea, drinking tea, hot tea.
People.
Yeah, this is culture from the UK.
Culture.
Karena orang UK itu suka banget minum teh ya teman-teman.
Tea.
Oh.
Orang Jepang.
Yeah, guys, yeah, this one. So we just talk about that. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. That's our topic. And anyone has a riddle?
Me.
Oh, siapa?
Me.
Cisalia. Oh, boleh. Come on, Cisalia. What's riddle?
Riddle. Okay. If you don't have
Kata-kata atau riddle?
Kata-kata hari.
Oh,
Kata-kata.
kata-kata. Boleh. Oke, kalau gitu siap ya. 1, 2,
Kata-kata
3,
ya.
go. Kata-kata hari ini Cisalia.
If you don't have money, who are you? Nobody know you. But if you have much money, hello. How are you guys?
Boleh pinjam 100?
Amazing. You are handsome. You are beautiful.
Wih.
Long time to see you.
Ah, that's correct. And then in the end, boleh pinjam 100? Iya, akhir-akhirnya
Boleh
kayak
pinjam
gitu, guys, ya.
100.
That's correct.
Boleh, boleh.
Yeah. I
Money
love Mrs.
talking,
Alia.
money talking.
Okay, I
Boleh.
love Mrs. Alia. So if you don't have money, who are you?
Nah,
No one knows you. But if you have much money, so everyone will ask you, will talk about you. Hey,
Yeah,
you are so
that's
handsome,
right.
you are so beautiful, you are so great. In the end, boleh gak pinjam? Okay. Wow, thank you so much, Alia. Really good. Guys, the last I say, speaking partner.
We are the
Yeah.
best.
The
Password.
best partner. What's password?
Wow.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank
Have
you,
a great day.
Vicky.
Good
you.
night.
You.
Have a nice stream.